Every morning, billions of people perform the exact same ritual: a hot cup of coffee, a plate of eggs, and toast before work. It feels instinctual. We assume humanity has always woken up and fueled our bodies like this. For most of human history, this routine did not exist. This recent behavioral experiment was engineered for a very specific purpose. The modern morning was engineered to align millions of people with a single schedule. It is a system designed to synchronize human behavior. Before clocks ruled our days, life followed a more fluid rhythm. For agrarian societies, schedules were dictated entirely by the sun. Early laborers often went straight to the fields upon waking. If they ate in the morning, it was usually leftovers from the night before, or they waited hours into their shift to have a first meal. In medieval Europe, eating first thing in the morning was a sign of poverty. It suggested you faced grueling physical labor and required immediate calories. Upper classes actively avoided it. Then came the Industrial Revolution. Machines did not care about sunrise or weather. Work began at a precise minute, marked by a steam whistle. When millions of people had to be in a specific place at a specific time, it created a logistical problem: how to fuel a workforce efficiently enough to meet the clock. The solution started with a bitter drink. Originally brewed by 14th century Sufi monks to maintain focus during evening prayers, coffee eventually made its way into the industrializing West. Up until this point, a common daytime beverage for laborers was weak beer or ale. Water was not always safe, making mild alcohol the default. Coffee offered a different physiological response. It provided the sharp, sustained alertness required to safely and efficiently operate dangerous factory machinery. Alongside that caffeine came the oldest staple of civilization. Bread was cheap and easily produced in massive quantities, serving as a scalable battery pack for the working class. But workers needed protein to sustain physical labor. Eggs were already common on farms, but they offered an advantage that went beyond simple access. An egg can be taken from a cold shell to a hot, fully cooked meal in exactly 4 minutes. The primary criterion for breakfast foods had shifted from taste to the sheer speed of preparation. As industrial schedules tightened, workers needed options that were even faster than boiling an egg. The next solution came from the Battle Creek Sanitarium in the late 19th century, a health spa focused heavily on clean living and digestion. There, Dr. John Harvey Kellogg made an accidental discovery after leaving a batch of wheat dough out too long. He rolled it out and baked it into crisp flakes. Cold cereal bypassed the stove entirely. It reduced the morning meal to a 10-second pour, matching the pace of a society running out the door. While industrial efficiency built the foundation of breakfast, corporate interests decided the final menu. In the 1920s, a public relations pioneer named Edward Bernays was hired to boost sales for a bacon company. Bernays surveyed thousands of physicians, asking if a heavy meal provided more energy than a light one. When they agreed, he published those responses in newspapers to promote bacon and eggs as a medically endorsed necessity. A few decades later, the glass of orange juice was added to the table. Scientists developed frozen juice concentrate as a military technology to supply troops during World War II, creating a massive post-war commercial market. Industrial efficiency and public relations campaigns assembled the American breakfast plate. Biology and culture were secondary to the needs of the corporation. Toast, eggs, coffee, and a bowl of cold cereal share almost no common flavor profile. Instead, they offer us speed and predictability. Breakfast serves as the mechanical bridge between your private rest and your public function in an industrial system. The factory was the visible innovation of the industrial age, but a much subtler invention was taking place at the breakfast table. This was the era of synchronization, the ability to align the lives of millions of people to the exact same minute. The standardized morning meal was the primary tool deployed to make that mass coordination possible. Tomorrow morning, the moment you sit down to eat breakfast, you are preparing to participate in this system of coordination. You are using the exact same industrial infrastructure that aligns your morning with the rest of the world.